First of all, it is important to analyze model with the checkout application. It is recommended to discuss with patient thoroughly about dental midline. There are many patients who complain about incorrect midline at the end of the treatment. The best way to resolve this problem is to show up the setup model first. If the patient confirms, it is possible to prevent the problem by taking photo of the setup model and attaching the photo onto the patient's chart. After deciding moving teeth and make an order minimum tooth movement setup, you need to fix it to the planted location and block out with the sticky wax. And you can make an order to the dental laboratory to manufacture clear aligner with 0.004 inch thickness. If the patient has a silver crowding, 0.003 inch thickness will be more appropriate. However, 0.004 inch thickness is recommended. After a aligner is manufactured in the laboratory, place the aligner in the mouth and see if the patient can wear it comfortably. You mark a circle on the aligner tooth position that you are planning to move with a permanent marker. With a puncher, you make a hole on the clear aligner. Clean up the marks with alcohol sponge. Choosing the proper power button model from the library is the most important step. Then gently insert the device in the area that is in contact with the mouse. Next step is to mount the invisible orthodontic device using the utility pliers. After applying bonding agent in and out of the aligner and the power buttons, blow warm air to dry, and wait until they become fixed.